Hey, what's up YouTube? It's John Miro back again with another video. I hope you guys are having a fun-tastic Friday. I hope you guys are having fun getting ready for the weekend. If you're like me and you like some headphones, then guess what? On the giveaway that I'm doing when this channel hits 1,250 subscribers, one lucky subscriber has a chance to win some really cool headphones. So let me tell you a little bit about it right quick. Number one, you have to be subscribed. Number two, you have to comment the word Dogecoin to the moon in order to be entered in to win. Now, you can't do it on this video. It's got to be on the giveaway video. So if you're like me and you like headphones, I've got some Galaxy headphones here that are noise canceling, that are just amazing. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, it just makes the experience so much better. So check it out. Let's jump in to show you the two headphones that I'm giving away. And don't worry, if you've already got them, you can win some cash, $100 cash. But let's take a look at these headphones. Beats announces this Studio Buds earbuds with active noise cancellation. You get to choose from 3 colors, guys. You got the white, the red, and the black. Man, they just look great. I just buy them just to look at them. That's how good they look. AirPods 2. If you're not a big fan of the Beats and you got an Apple iPhone and you're like, man, I really need some new AirPods generation 2. Look, I'm gonna hook you guys up. Or maybe you might be saying, don't need them, give me some cash money. Hey, we can do that as well. So now let's dive into the video. Welcome back, guys, up to some cryptocurrency news. Let me tell you what's going on today, but I had to start it out right to tell you guys what's going on with John's stock market game. Remember, it's all on how well you play the game, whether you're gonna win or lose, right? Right now, AMC is down 3%. Dogecoin is up 7% and Bitcoin is up 1.25%. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, but I can't go a day without talking about Dogecoin. Come on, guys, it's going to go to the moon. So right now I'm looking a little more in the red than I would like to, but I still know that it's going to take off one day, so we're good there. So Dogecoin is up 7%, Bitcoin's up 1%, and then AMC is unfortunately down 3%. Man, it was up yesterday pretty high. It was at around $49. It's dropped down to 46, but don't worry. It's going to go back up. So I've been talking about me doing something with Dogecoin. I've been riding the fence, and I didn't know if I should hold it, sell it, or just keep buying some more. But here's the thing though. As much as I would love to put in, I'm on a budget just like everybody else in the world. We're on a budget, right? There's so much that we can put in, but I really wanted to challenge myself, and this could be a challenge for you guys, is can you take what you put in and triple, double it, quadruple it, whatever you want to, however you want to do it? Is there a way that you can take the money that you've invested in there and try to get it 3 to 4 to 5 times more without investing any more money? Well, I've been able to do that. I put $199 into Dogecoin, and that's all I've put. That's all I've put is $199. Guys, right now I'm sitting at 724 Dogecoins. We're looking at it now. It's around 21 cents, 21.9. I'm gonna get ready to sell it all. I wanted you guys to be with me for the ride, for the roller coaster ride. Many of you might be saying, don't do it, don't do it. Hey, keep your Dogecoin. But I'm telling you guys that I've had a plan. So after all the money that I put in, I had 919 Dogecoins. I've been scalping and I was working this every single day, and I got up to around 1,300 Dogecoins. Now you tell me this, that's almost 400 more, okay? Almost 400 more than what I started with, and I didn't put any more into it. So it's a little bit of hard work, but I'm gonna tell you something, it's a great payoff. And I sold a little around half of that in order to buy 5 AMC. So my goal is to build Dogecoin back up over 1,000, sell some more, and buy other stocks with it, right? Still a little plan that I have. I know I can do it. I've got other things to pay for. I'm investing in Shib Inu. What's up, Shib Army? I'm investing in a lot of other things, but I wanted to see and challenge myself if I can do this again, and I know I can, and it's at 22 cents. So I'm going to sell Doge. All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna do it with you guys watching. Okay, sell Doge. buy Doge. I'm going to sell Doge. And normally on the phone, it says that you can. So I'm going to sell Doge. Okay, here we go. 724. All right, guys, so I'm selling my Doge. 724. Review order. Are you still trying to sell all of your Dogecoin? And I'm saying yes. I'm gonna see if it goes up just a little more. It is. Man, can I hit 160 bucks? Should I wait? Oh, it don't look like it's going that way. It looks like it's going the other. Oh. Don't get crazy, John. Don't get crazy. Okay. Should I wait, guys? This is crazy. It's at $159.41. Should I sell it should I wait to get 160? It's getting close. It is getting close, guys. It's going back down. Okay. So a big thing about scalping is it's just watching these numbers. And I'm gonna tell you something. This thing, I've seen it change 2 to 3 cents within a matter of 5 minutes. This is how crazy it can get. So it's a big thing. It's a lot of work, but it does pay off in the end if you can be consistent with it. So right quick, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. I mean, it's around $159. So yes, I'm selling it. Submit to sell, and I'm doing 100 and doing all of it. Submit to sell. Boom, done. You guys might be saying, you are one crazy man. So here's what my plan is, guys. I'm not gonna buy anything now, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy it a little bit later. I feel like it's gonna drop. It kind of always seems to drop around that 10, 12 o'clock time. And then for some crazy reason, during the mid-morning hours, it goes right back up. The biggest increase in prices that I've seen is around 4:30 to 5:30. I've seen that thing. I don't know why. In the morning, it just jumps up. So right now, I'm gonna leave it like it is, and I'm going to wait, and then I'm going to build this up, and I can't wait to show you guys over a period of a couple days of how I didn't buy anything more. I'm using the money that I have, $162 available, and I'm gonna go, and I had 724. I'm gonna try to have at least over 800, 900 by the next time I show you guys on the video. So let's stay tuned for that. But let's get into the news. So we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. Something that I haven't really talked about. Bitcoin is up 1.92%. It's doing good. Ethereum's up 2%, guys. Bitcoin was doing great for the longest time. And then guess what? Did a complete nosedive once Elon Musk sent out the tweet that they're not gonna be using Bitcoin for Tesla. Old news. I get it. I understand it. So it's very important to understand what happened before to make sense of what's going to happen now. So there's an article that went out, and Square is building a hardware crypto wallet and service with the goal of making Bitcoin more mainstream. Why is that so important? Why is that so big? The reason that it's so big is because when Bitcoin's up, it seems like everything else is going up. It's kind of the leader in the market right now, in the cryptocurrency market. So if that was to really take off and they were really to set it up mainstream, can you imagine what would happen to every other cryptocurrency? So let's dive more into this article. Square executives confirmed on Thursday the company plans to develop new tools for Bitcoin. We have decided to build a hardware wallet and service to make Bitcoin custody more mainstream. We'll continue to ask and answer questions in the open. This is what the Square hardware lead Jesse DeRosker said on Twitter. With that, he also said, I and team will listen and continue the conversation, and we'll set up a dedicated Twitter and GitHub account if we decide to build. We'll update this thread with the information when we're ready. Thanks. This is what the Square and Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey said in response. In June, Dorsey announced in a lengthy Twitter thread that his fintech company was considering making an open source hardware wallet, outlining how the company was thinking about developing the product and asking for the input from the cryptocurrency developer community. DeGrosser said that Thursday their responses had resonated and convinced the company to initially build a globally distributed, mobile-friendly, multi-signature wallet, confirming the security and inclusivity focused product Dorsey described in June. Square is forming a small cross-functional team led by Max Geis to oversee product development and plans to hire for roles in hardware, software, security, and business. Bitcoin has long been a passion for project for Dorsey, who recently said at the Bitcoin 2001 conference in June he would leave Square and Twitter to work on Bitcoin's projects if they needed more help than the two companies he currently runs. What does that mean for the cryptocurrency market as we speak? They're going to make it more mainstream. If Bitcoin was able to get more help from the CEO of Twitter and Square, holy smokes, guys, this thing is gonna shoot up big. And let me tell you something, it's gonna help everybody else out. I thought that was really cool, guys. I feel like they're gonna really do something good with Bitcoin. I mean, look at Twitter, look at Square, and he's been really passionate about Bitcoin, about really elevating it. Who knows where Bitcoin's gonna go? That is crazy, right? That's crazy that he's doing that, but it's pretty awesome in itself. So I wanted to jump on here, guys, and let you guys know what the CEO of Square and Twitter is doing with Bitcoin. It's not just Elon Musk. We've got some other CEOs out there that are big deal, big time, that are really going to elevate this cryptocurrency thing, which is so important for everybody investing into cryptocurrency. This goes to show you where the future is going to be. It's in cryptocurrency. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. It helps this channel out with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget about the giveaway video. Everything, all the information will be in the description below. If you have any questions, you can message me directly. You can follow me on Twitter. All that's in the information below. If you want to get a free stock, I've got a link down there that we can both get a free stock. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.